Excited ka na ba?
Excited na yan.
Ano na diretso?
Excited na.
Kinakabahan ka ba?
Medyo.
Dahil yun sa pictures, mahilig kasi siya mag-picture sa digicam niya. Tapos, napicturean niya yung friend ko na yung bridesmaid nga po si Shane. Tapos, tinanong niya kung sino daw po yung kasama dun sa picture. Tapos, dun po nag-start.
I've been roaming around, always looking down, and all I see painted faces fill the
Love,
places
happy
I
Mansari, mahal ko.
carry.
Ito ang unang gift ko sa iyo hanggang sa mga susunod pang taon ng ating pagmamahalan. Itong regalong kung ito ay palagi mong hindi makakalimutan. Palagi mong titingnan at hahawakan. Pero yung sa loob ng bag na yon ay hindi man yung ideal mo na item, but I know I surprised you. Yes, it's a watch. Yes, it's a time. Time to be my wife. Wow!
You know that I could use somebody. You know that I could use somebody. Someone like you. Someone like you.
Yun, may chat. Doon po yung na mas lalo kami nagkakilala. By 2014-13, doon po kami nag-first meet. Doon po mas lalo po akong nagkaroon ng interest po sa kanya.
Someone like you. Someone like you.
After 2 years, pagliligawan, 2018 ay sinagot niya po ako.
Doon po nag-start. Kaya po dito rin kami kinasal kasi ito rin po yung place kung saan kami una nagkita.
Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na hindi maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind, and to be true. To love and to love by you. Hindi kita pababayaan, alam mo yan. Mamahalin at aalagaan. To be your best friend, to be there until the end.
And someone like you. And someone like you. Someone like you.
Love, exactly 74 months ago, so mali ka sa 73rd, ayan, I said my first yes when you asked me if I could be your girlfriend. So, ikaw yung nagtanong, hindi ako.
Excited na ako na maging Mrs. Cruz. Matagal din nating pinag-pray to and thank you sa Panginoon. Kasi after 6 years, eto na yung prayer natin.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby.
Friends, as we begin this journey from beginning to end, I'm so blessed I have you and as my true love and best friend, our forever starts today. Hope you like it. See you later. Love, Jenrus.
Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya is God-fearing. So isa yun sa mga prayer ko na gusto kong maging partner sa buhay. Pareho kami ng pananampalataya. So isa yun sa mga plus points kung bakit siya yung nagustuhan ko.
You're still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. You're still the one I want for life.
Ayan, so we exchanged our first I love yous over internet. At that time kasi we barely see each other dahil nga sa schedules, saka sa layo natin sa isa't isa. So, but love knows no distance. Ika nga nila.
Ain't nothing better. We beat the odds together. I'm glad we didn't listen. Look at what we would be missing.
Exactly 8 months ago, I answered, seryoso ka ba? When you knelt down and asked me to marry you in front of our families. So at that moment, I look at you, my eyes full of tears, and all our memories came flashing back.
Aking pangalawa sa buhay ko, yan ang tandaan mo. Ganon din ako sa'yo. Unang Panginoong Jesus sa ating dalawa palagi. Buong puso kong natitiyak na kalooban ng Diyos na pakasalan kita.
You're still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. You're still the one I kiss.
Today's the day that we have been waiting and praying for. Today's the day that I dreamed when I was a child, walking down the aisle with my parents, wearing a white dress. And today, December 20, 2024, I say I do as we unfold a new chapter and start our forever.
Sa iyo lang, ako walang duda. Handa na, ikaw ay makakasama sa hirap man o ginhawa, sa bukas at walang